Hello, welcome to my channel, and now I will show you camera settings of Samsung Galaxy A7 phone. So let's open camera and see what you can expect it when you buy this phone. Under the settings you have picture size. Those are the sizes of the picture that you can choose. Video size, full HD from HD. Those settings you can find under settings tab. So you can turn off timer on or set to 5 or 10 seconds. Front camera for selfie size picture, video size of front camera, timer for front camera, and when we scroll down there is some more modes. I will show you everything. So there is floating camera button if you want to place stop and start button on some other place on screen, and so on and so on. Camera is very good, and there is some you can choose Panorama Pro mode, where you can set up ISO, white balance, and focus, and so on and so on. Anytime you can enter camera settings. There is beauty mode if you wanna change color and smoothness. Live focus mode, auto mode. Here you can choose automatic turn off or turn on lighting. Scene optimizer, super slow motion if you wanna take video in slow motion. Of course, there are emojis, hyperlapse, and other stuff. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please like it, share it, and of course, please leave me the comment in comment section below. It means a lot to me. See you.